With the Enchanted Quilt, and welcome to our Friday afternoon inventory unboxing. We did get a few things this week, and this box was so haphazardly put together because we just already took it apart. This is a 90-inch wide bolt of Cuddle from Shannon. Y'all know better name is Minky. You can see how soft it is. But we've got this for the backs. I special ordered this for a customer that wanted white on the back of her quilt. We're slowly accumulating those for backings. Let's see. We got one box in this week of a line of fabric that I ordered from, but it wasn't what I ordered. And found out mine is floating around in Louisiana somewhere, so I don't know when that'll be here. Okay, we got some more of the rectangle jelly roll rug pattern, some more of the Zoe the zebra. We have that one done. If you want to see it, it's hanging up here in the shop. We've got a couple more of the cake mix books in. These are the ones that have the spiral backs on them and they lay flat, and they have patterns to use with the cake mix papers. I think it goes up to number 8 in here, although the cake mixes go up to 12. Looks like we got some more Masterpiece thread in the blue. Just trying to see what they call this. I don't know what the name of that one is, but a blue. Alright, we got some more of the white Belisol layer cakes. Okay, the latest Bonnie and Camille line, and it's called Little Snippets. And it's their typical red aqua colors, but their designs are a little bit different this time. They have a lot of roses. It's really pretty, really a pretty line. We got the charm packs, the jelly rolls, and the layer cakes. Let's move these out of the way. Okay, let's see what this one is. We're working on Shadow Play. We had this one in, but we ran out, reordered it. It's a charcoal. It's a real pretty charcoal Shadow Play from the line Shadow Play. We've got some more patterns with the panels to do the Rejoice wall hanging. We have that one done up here in the shop as well. Personally, I think ours is prettier. We got some more of the 1.5 by 6.5 inch Creative Grid rulers. These are great little utility rulers. Okay, we got some more socks. Let's see. Here's some elephants and hummingbirds and some more cats. And we've got a couple rolls of the batting that you use in the jelly roll rugs. Now these are the 50-yard, I'm sorry, let's see. Yeah, the 50-yard rolls. 2.5 inches wide. And this is our last box. we've got another bolt of the Uncorked in a hunter green. We're slowly, I think we only have about 7 or 8 more and we'll have the whole line of that. And these are kits for throws. This throw is 58 by 68 and it's already cut, and it's sort of a quilt as you go project, and it is the Minky, and you can see this is beautiful roses. There's navy blue, and this is a kind of a shaggy Minky, and I can't tell what that piece is. And I think, let me turn it over, there's a picture of it on the back, like Paris and then roses. I don't know if you can see that. But we've got 3 of these kits in. And while you're looking at that, I'm going to run and get our entries for our drawing. I think we have some customers here, so I've got to go grab and get it. Come on. Okay, here we go. Kind of sticking to each other. Okay, we got Miss Quilty here. She's going to do a drawing for us. Okay. Carlene Morrison, you are the winner of our $10 Facebook Live drawing, and I will pop that into the mail to you next week. With that, have a great weekend, and I'll see you next Friday.